Hello guys, this is Utkarsh Grover back again with another video on homework number 2. So, in homework number 2, this for probability and stochastic gradient, I'm making this video for second problem, which is, as you can see, this is a system which has x1 as input, a noisy channel, and x2 as output. Similarly, x2 as input, a noisy channel, and x3 as output, and that is continued till xn as input, noisy channel, and xn plus 1 as output. Given px1 is equal to, the probability of x1 is equal to 0 is 0.2, probability of x1 is equal to 1 is 0.8, probability of probability of x k plus 1 is equal to 0, and probability of x k given xk is equal to 0, given xk equal to 0 is equal to 0.6, and probability of xk plus 1 that is equal to 1 given xk plus 1 is equal to 0, which is equal to 0.4. Probability of xk plus 1 equal to 0 given xk is equal to 1 is equal to 0.3, and probability of xk plus 1 equal to 1 given xk is equal to 1 is equal to 0.7. Now first, in the first part, we need to find probability of x2 equal to 1. So probability of x2 equal to 1 is equal to probability of x2 equal to 1 given x1 equal to 1 into probability of x1 equal to 1 plus probability of x2 equal to 1 given x1 equal to 0 into probability of x1 equal to 0, that is 0.7 into 0.8 plus 0.4 into 0.2, that gives 0.56 plus 0.08, that is equal to 0.64. So for probability of x2 is equal to 1 is 0.64 by the given question. So for second question, we also need to find out probability of, so for second question we need to find probability of x3 is equal to 1. So before that, we need to find what is the probability of x2 equal to 0, that is 1 minus probability of x2 equal to 1, that is 1 minus 0.64 is equal to 0.36. Now we are finding probability of x3 equal to 1, that is equal to probability of x3 equal to 1 given x2 equal to 1 into probability of x2 equal to 1 plus probability of x3 equal to 1 given x2 equal to 0 into probability of x2 equal to 0, that is 0.7 into 0.64 plus 0.4 into 0.36, that is equal to 0.448 plus 0.144, that is equal to 0.592. So the probability of x3 equal to 1 is equal to 0.592. For the third question, we need to find what is the probability of x1 equal to 0 given x3 equal to 1. So for that, we have x3 equal to 0. So we have a matrix of x3 equal to 0 and x3 equal to 1, which is this, and the other probability is 0.6, 0.4, 0.3 and 0.7, that is given here, 0.3, 0.6, 0.4, 0.7, which implies we're squaring this to find the new matrix, that is 0.48, 0.52, 0.39 and 0.61, which implies the probability of x3 equal to 0 given x1 equal to 0 is equal to 0.48, probability of x3 equal to 1 given x1 equal to 0 is 0.52, probability of x3 equal to 0 given x1 equal to 1 is 0.39, and probability of x1 equal to 1 given x1 equal to 1 is equal to 0.01. So probability of x1 equal to 0 given x3 equal to 1 is equal to probability of x1 is equal to 0 comma x3 equal to 1 divided by probability of x3 equal to 1, which is equal to probability of x3 equal to 1 given x1 equal to 0 into probability of x1 equal to 0 divided by probability of x3 equal to 1, which is 0.52 into 0.2 divided by 0.592. that is 0.176. Third question, for the fourth part, we need to find the limit n tend to infinity and probability of xn equal to 0. For that, we have a matrix of probability of x infinity equal to 0 and probability of x infinity equal to 1. That is equal to limit n tend to infinity 0.2, 0.3 into 0.6 into 0.4, 0.3, 0.7 to the power n, which gives us 0.2, 0.8, 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 4 by 7. That gives us 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. That is equal to probability of x infinity equal to 0 is 3 by 7 and probability of x infinity equal to 1 is 4 by 7. Hence, the limit n tend to infinity probability of xn equal to 0 is 3 by 7. So this was our question number 2 of homework 2. Thank you.